Hi, my name is Megan McMaster, and I chose to explain the functions of the uterus, fallopian tubes, and ovaries. Here's the uterus, the ovaries, and the fallopian tubes connecting the ovaries and the uterus. To begin, the uterus is located in the female pelvis between the bladder and rectum. It is held together by ligaments, muscles, and fibrous tissues. Functions of the uterus include nurturing a fertilized ovum that develops into a fetus. It provides protection and nutritional support to the developing fetus, and the contractions of the uterus cause the baby to leave at birth. The uterus outside of pregnancy is responsible for menstrual flow. Connected to the superior lateral region of the uterus are the fallopian tubes. Uterine tubes or oviducts are other names for the fallopian tubes. During ovulation, fimbriae sweep the ovarian surface, catching the oocyte. It is then carried through the fallopian tubes. There are sheets of smooth muscle and folded mucosa, and with peristalsis and the beating of cilia moves the oocyte towards the uterus. Fertilization occurs in the fallopian tubes as well. Lastly, I will explain the ovaries. The pair of ovaries are the female version of gonads. They lie on the lateral walls of the pelvic cavity. Ovaries produce ova, which is monthly, and also secrete multiple hormones. Estrogens are the hormones released and include estradiol, estrone, and estriol. These organs appear smooth at puberty, but during maturity, they can become bumpy. The bumps are formed and left behind when ova are released monthly.